Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely stunning Volvo. It's the top of the range V40 R design. It's a facelift model, as you see by the headlights. It's got lovely alloy wheels on it. Got rear park distance control. It's got full R design body styling kit with a bigger rear diffuser and a bigger exhaust tips. It's the D4, so it's a 2 litre. 2 litre is really desirable. Boot area is in magnificent condition, as you can see. Paintwork is lovely. Got a special R design half leather Alcantara with the white stitch piping. It's just had a 12 months MOT. Electric windows, electric folding mirrors. Interior is in lovely condition. It's done 275 miles. R design leather steering wheel. 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, nice armrest, locking wheel nut, USB point, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. This also has the added benefit of having satellite navigation. I think I've already pointed out the 3-stage heated seats that come up there as well. Climate control, Bluetooth. Radio is DAB. Really is fantastic value for money, especially being the facelift model. DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.